It's worth noting that prior to the formation of the EPL, the English top flight was known as the Football League First Division. The English Premier League, EPL, was formed in 1992, succeeding the old First Division. Here are all the winners of the EPL since its inception. 1992-1993, Manchester United. 1993-1994, Manchester United. 1994-1995, Blackburn Rovers. 1995-1996, Manchester United. 1996-1997, Manchester United. 1997-1998, Arsenal. 1998-1999, Manchester United. 1999-2000, Manchester United. 2000-2001, Manchester United. 2001-2002, Arsenal. 2002-2003, Manchester United. 2003-2004, Arsenal. 2004-2005, Chelsea. 2005-2006, Chelsea. 2006-2007, Manchester United. 2007-2008, Manchester United. 2008-2009, Manchester United. 2009-2010, Chelsea. 2010-2011, Manchester United. 2011-2012, Manchester City. 2012-2013, Manchester United. 2013-2014, Manchester City. 2014-2015, Chelsea. 2015-2016, Leicester City. 2016-2017, Chelsea. 2017-2018, Manchester City. 2018-2019, Manchester City. 2019-2020, Liverpool. 2020-2021, Manchester City. 2021-2022, Manchester City.